Friends say a popular bus driver is one of 2 Tomball ISD transportation employees to die of COVID this week.
They say he was not vaccinated, which is among the things educational leaders continue to urge as cases surge. Jason Miles live from one of Houston ISD's bus facilities with more on this. Jason.
Hey there, guys. Yeah, the union that represents many, if not most, bus drivers here in HISD says they've had COVID cases as well, but thanks to mandatory masking and a high rate of vaccinations, they've been pretty much under control. Right now, there is no evidence how this Tomball ISD got the virus while doing the job he loved.
Always had a smile on his face. He could always make you laugh.
Friends say 54-year-old Tony Moreno's personality exhibited in these photos made him a popular and beloved Tomball ISD bus driver.
You know, the kids just loved him and the parents of the children loved him. And often he would bring home, homemade bread or different things that they would give him.
Ashley Gardner met Moreno through her husband, a lifelong friend, and says Moreno worked a few days this school year before mild symptoms became more severe by the time he went in for a COVID test.
So they transported him by ambulance to the hospital.
She says Moreno died as his wife and son also dealt with the effects of COVID.
They put him on life support, and within 9 days with his first symptom to he's gone.
Gardner started this fundraising site to help the family with expenses related to Moreno's sudden death, and there's been an outpouring of condolences. Tomball ISD says grief counselors are also available to transportation employees, and that a bus attendant recently passed away as well, although he or she had not been aboard a bus this year.
Vaccines are obviously incredibly useful tools to fight the virus.
Just this week, Texas Commissioner of Education Mike Morath encouraged anyone who's eligible to get a COVID vaccination as soon as possible, something Gardner says her friend had not done.
COVID's a sad thing already. It's a beast. I mean, it takes anyone. But when you have someone so close to you, a friend or family, it kind of hits home. It makes it a little more real.
In addition to encouraging vaccinations, Commissioner Morath also said this week that 1.5 million rapid COVID tests had been deployed to districts throughout the state of Texas. You can read Tomball ISD's full statement on khou.com.
That is good. That is good news, but our thoughts are also with the Moreno family. Jason, thank you so much.